Good afternoon, guys. I'm Bryce Kirkpatrick. I'm the Turf Program Director here at Real Turf Solutions. And I kind of want to go over just a few basic things about proper PPE and properly handling chemicals. You will always want to make sure you understand the label before handling a chemical. By doing that, you better understand the proper procedures of mix rates, where to put and how to properly discard that chemical when you're done. You always want to make sure you have glasses or goggles, rubber gloves, and you always want to make sure you have long sleeves and long pants on when you're handling chemicals, because this way it makes sure that you don't get any chemicals on your skin. And so if you do happen to get any kind of chemical in your skin, whether it's a ant poison you're putting out around the house, or just something as simple as some fly spray, you want to make sure you go in and wash that off fairly quickly, because those chemicals on your skin can cause irritation and stuff such as that. And so you want to make sure you wash them off quickly. And of course, at the end of the day, when you're done doing your treatment for fire ants around the house, or whatever properly you may be doing with a chemical, you always want to make sure you discard that chemical properly. And the label will tell you exactly how to get rid of that, or it'll give you a number to call, or somebody can come and actually help you get rid of that chemical. So at the end of the day, you always want to make sure you're safe and properly handling chemicals. It's never okay to think that you know what you're doing. You always want to be sure that you understand that label and properly do your job at hand. Thank you.